Most people get this wrong when choosing a store credit card. They focus on the sign-up offer and ignore the features that actually matter long-term. Here's the truth no one tells you. A Walmart credit card can be useful for some shoppers, but it is definitely not the best option for everyone. In this video, we're reviewing the Walmart credit card in 2026. You'll learn its potential benefits, possible drawbacks, who it makes sense for, and whether it's actually worth getting. By the end, you'll know if this card deserves a spot in your wallet. Let's start with the biggest reason people consider a Walmart credit card: savings and rewards. If you regularly shop at Walmart, a store card may offer benefits tied to Walmart purchases. For frequent shoppers, those rewards can add up over time. For example, imagine John spends a few $100s every month on groceries, household supplies, and everyday essentials at Walmart. Even modest rewards could create noticeable savings throughout the year. But here's the problem. Many people apply without thinking about how often they actually shop there. If Walmart isn't one of your primary stores, the value of a store-specific card may be limited. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real value isn't just rewards. Convenience also matters. Some cardholders like having a dedicated payment method for Walmart purchases, tracking spending separately, and accessing account tools through Walmart's digital services. However, this is where most people fail. They only look at rewards and completely ignore interest charges. If you carry a balance month after month, any rewards earned can quickly be offset by interest costs. That's why responsible credit card use is far more important than any reward program. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide if this card is right for you. Before that, let's talk about who may benefit the most. If you're already a frequent Walmart shopper, pay your balance on time, and want a card tied to your shopping habits, the Walmart credit card may be worth considering. On the other hand, if you're looking for maximum flexibility, you may want to compare it with general-purpose credit cards that offer rewards across multiple retailers and categories. Here's the simple test. Ask yourself one question. Do you regularly spend enough at Walmart to justify having a dedicated store card? If the answer is yes, it may provide value. If the answer is no, another rewards card could be a better fit. To sum it up, the Walmart credit card can be a solid option for loyal Walmart shoppers who pay their balance responsibly and want rewards tied to everyday purchases. But its value depends heavily on your shopping habits and financial goals. You now have a clearer picture of whether the Walmart credit card is worth it in 2026. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Walmart guides and money-saving tips, and leave a comment sharing your experience with the card. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.